Alright, so we got this vintage camper for just $50. Now she definitely needs some work, but let's have a look inside and we can see what it looks like. Now when you first come into the trailer, off to the right is your dining area. You have the table here that also doubles as a bed. So you can take the top of the table, lay it down as a bed. This is standard in most campers like this. And right above the table, you have shelves for storage. We have more storage above the sink and also below the sink for where we can store all our food on our camping trips. Now on this side of the trailer is also your sofa, your seating area, and it also doubles as a bed. This pulls down and you have another double bed on this side as well. Above me here is also a thing for another child bed, like a hammock kind of a thing. Right now the tarp thing isn't inside of it. It was ripped, so that will have to be replaced. Right over here we have our closet. So it's a decent enough space for all your barbecuing needs and of course your clothes. But underneath the seats itself there's also storage. Under this one here we have jacks and the barbecue. And under this one here is our water storage inside of here, which also is for the water pump. At the moment the water pump isn't working, so we also have to get that replaced. And right over here is an old school propane heater. I've never seen one like this before, but yeah, there's our heater. Now it definitely does have some water damage. The floor in the back has to be redone. There's also some water damage up in the back wall. Now this trailer sat for 23 years without anybody using it. So definitely from winters and snow piling on it, we definitely knew where there was going to be work that needed to be done. There was definitely going to be water damage to it. But overall, for $50, I mean, we definitely can't complain about that. Now the floor itself also needs to be redone. There was already some work on this before, as you can tell here, but the floor is definitely going to have to be redone at some point. And when we first got it as well, some of the windows were actually broken. My brother was able to get all new windows put into it. So the jack we had to replace, my brother was able to weld a new one on, and this one works good. This is going to be the first time I ever go camping in my life. I've never gone camping as a kid, so I'm really looking forward to bringing my kids camping. We need a name for it though, and I don't know a name. If somebody knows a name, go ahead and leave it in the comments below. Now normally on the channel, we normally do gaming related videos, but if you actually like this kind of stuff as well, and if you want to see more videos like this, or even what we're doing to the camper as we fix it up, or as we get ready to go camping, let us know in the comments below. That way we know if you guys actually want to see those videos as well. Anyways, as always, I want to thank you all so much for watching, and we hope to see you all in that next video. Peace!